The MG Cyberster is the world's first true electric roadster. For 2026, a drop top with 510 horsepower and doors that rise like a supercar's. From the side it looks Italian and exotic, a shape MG has never dared before. At the back, the roof tapers into a low, wide stance that looks properly expensive. Those taillights stretch right across in a single sharp arrow of red. The roof is fabric and it folds away completely. This is a proper convertible, not a coupe. I will show you where this MG earns its badge and where it slips, so subscribe now and stay with me. Look closely and the details feel expensive, like these slim sculpted door mirrors. Then you press a button and the doors rise upward like a supercar. These are powered scissor doors on a car that costs sports sedan money. Climb in past that theater and the cabin tries to match the drama. 3 screens wrap around the driver, 1 for speed, 1 for media, and a third angled just for the important numbers. The seats are trimmed in pale leather with contrast stitching. The wheel is small and squared off. MG's octagon badge dead center, with real buttons instead of the touch panels everyone else rushed to fit. In the middle, a touchscreen handles the maps and the cabin settings. Between the seats you get cup holders and a wireless charging pad, small practical wins. From the driver's seat, the whole dash wraps in, wheel, vents, and screens angled towards you. With the roof down, twin hoops rise behind the seats, part safety, part style. From above, with the roof stowed, the tail looks clean and unbroken. And there on the haunch sits the name that tells you MG is chasing something new. Cyberster, written in flowing chrome script. Lift the boot and there is room for a soft weekend bag, though not much more than that. It is a roadster boot, enough for 2 people traveling light, and the charging cables live down here too. Because under all this drama, the Cyberster is fully electric. No engine, no noise, no gears. 2 motors driving all 4 wheels. Together they make 510 horsepower in the top GT. That is enough to reach 100 kilometers an hour in 3.2 seconds. That is supercar territory from a badge that once meant cheap and cheerful. The entry trophy keeps a single motor and rear-wheel drive alone. Both share the same 77 kilowatt-hour battery, good for up to 500 kilometers between charges on the gentler version. Charging tops up from 10 to 80% in under 40 minutes. But here is the catch: all those batteries make it heavy, near 2 tons. So a light Mazda MX-5 feels purer and costs half as much, yet nothing else offers this electric drop-top drama near 60,000 pounds. Even so, the Cyberster does something no rival has managed yet. It makes electric feel romantic again. Drop the roof, raise the doors, and simply enjoy it. On the Auto TV score, that earns the Cyberster a 9.1 out of 10.